Hi viewers, thank you for joining us in this wonderful video where we will be talking about Camair-Co, the national flag carrier of Cameroon. And in this video, we will see a deep in-depth of Camair-Co and especially the aircraft that the airline has operated in these past years. Camair-Co, the national flag carrier of Cameroon, was established in 2006 by the government of Cameroon, following the liquidation of Cameroon Airlines, which had been struggling with financial crisis and operational problems. The government created a new airline with its aim to rebuild the country's aviation sector by improving its connectivity. Although it was founded in 2006, Camair-Co officially started operations in 2011 with its main hub in Douala International Airport, which is the economic capital of the country. Over the years, Camair-Co has operated a fleet of Boeing 737-700 aircraft, Boeing 737-300 and also Boeing 767-300 aircrafts. Before we continue, are you still new on my channel Aviation Info? Please don't forget to subscribe and let us know your thoughts in the comment section about Camair-Co. Over the past 10 years, Camair-Co has faced significant operational and financial challenges that has affected its growth and fleet expansion plan. To sustain operation and continue serving both domestic and regional routes, Camair-Co has relied on several partnership agreements, including both wet lease and dry lease agreements with other airlines. These collaborations have enabled the airline to temporarily access aircraft maintenance, scheduled services while working towards stabilizing its own fleet and operational capacity. Among the airlines that have supported Camair-Co throughout the year through lease agreements, we have Marathon Airlines, we have Corendon Airlines, NG Nigeria, Cronos Airlines, Smartwings, and CemAir. Through this partnership, Camair-Co has been able to obtain aircraft needed to support its operational requirements and maintain its expansion program. These leasing strategies have played an important role in allowing the airline to continue fulfilling its national mandate of connecting key cities and supporting economic development. Despite the challenges faced over the past decades, Camair-Co remains committed to strengthening its operation, expanding its fleet, and improving service delivery to better serve the people of Cameroon and the broader regions.